Puffback is a term used to describe a situation where there is a small, controlled explosion in a furnace or heating system, typically caused by a buildup of gas or oil in the combustion chamber. This can occur when the system fails to ignite properly, and the gas or oil accumulates before igniting all at once. The result is a backdraft or puff of smoke and soot that can travel through the ducts and cause damage to the system, the property, or even create health hazards due to the soot. Common causes of puffback: dirty or faulty oil burner. If the oil burner is not maintained correctly, it can cause incomplete combustion, leading to an accumulation of unburned oil or gas. Delayed ignition. If the ignition system is slow or malfunctioning, gas can accumulate in the system before being ignited, causing a puffback. Clogged air filters. Restricted airflow can lead to improper combustion and ignition problems. Faulty thermocouples or flame sensors. If these components fail, the system may not ignite properly, allowing gas to accumulate. Impact of puffback. Damage to the heating system. Puffbacks can damage the furnace, ducts, and other parts of the heating system. Soot and smoke damage. The soot released during a puffback can stain walls, furniture, carpets, and other surfaces. Potential fire hazard. In rare cases, a puffback could be the result of a more severe ignition failure, leading to a fire. Health risks. The soot and smoke could contain harmful particulates, which might be harmful to your health, especially for people with respiratory conditions. Insurance coverage for puffback. Whether or not your insurance policy will cover damage caused by a puffback depends on the specifics of your homeowner's insurance policy. Here's how different aspects of coverage might apply. 1. Homeowners insurance, property coverage. Covered. Typically, homeowners insurance covers damage to your property caused by fire, smoke, or explosions. If the puffback results in significant damage to your home, such as smoke damage to walls, ceilings, or furniture, your insurance may cover these damages under the fire or smoke portion of your policy. Not covered. If the puffback is caused by a lack of maintenance or negligence, insurers might not cover it. Most homeowners' insurance policies have exclusions for damage resulting from poor maintenance or wear and tear. For example, if the puffback occurred because you neglected to service your heating system, your insurer may deny the claim. 2. Heating system or furnace coverage. Not covered. Homeowners insurance usually doesn't cover the repair or replacement of appliances like furnaces or heating systems unless the cause of the damage was a covered event like fire or explosion. Puffback damage is often considered a maintenance issue, so repairs to the furnace may not be covered. 3. Soot damage cleanup costs. Covered. Some homeowners' policies may provide coverage for the cleanup of soot and smoke damage, especially if it's a result of a fire or explosion. However, the coverage for cleaning up soot or related damage may be subject to the specifics of your policy. In some cases, it may be considered an additional cost that is not automatically covered. Not covered. If the soot damage was due to a preventable cause, like neglecting regular maintenance of a heating system, your insurer may not pay for the cleanup. Preventive measures and best practices. To avoid a puffback and its potential costs, regular maintenance of your furnace or heating system is crucial. This includes annual servicing by a qualified technician to inspect the heating system, changing filters regularly, and ensuring proper airflow to prevent ignition issues, keeping the system clean, and making sure it is operating correctly to avoid unburned fuel buildup. If you're concerned about whether puffback damage will be covered, reviewing your insurance policy or speaking with your insurance agent can help clarify coverage details, exclusions, and the requirements for filing a claim in case of damage. For more information on what is covered by your insurance policy, pick up a copy of KISS, Study Guide for Public Claims Adjusters. It has need-to-know info that is great for homeowners. Pick up your copy today from Amazon.com.